Welcome to Market Peeker. Relying on just one indicator can lead to false signals. That's why combining multiple indicators is a smart strategy for better accuracy. Let's dive into how it works. 1. Trend and momentum indicator. Pair a trend-following tool like the moving average with a momentum indicator like the RSI. How it helps. Moving averages confirm the direction of the trend, while RSI spots overbought or oversold conditions for better timing. 2. Volume plus price action. Use volume indicators like the on-balance volume, OBV, alongside support and resistance levels. Why it works. High volume near key levels can signal strong breakouts or reversals. 3. Confirm signals. Combine MACD for momentum with Bollinger Bands for volatility. Pro tip. Only enter trades when both indicators confirm a strong signal. Remember, no combination is foolproof. Always backtest your strategy and adapt it to market conditions.